Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to produce high-quality, accurate prints at incredible speeds, right from the comfort of your own workspace. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream just became a reality with the Epson SureColor T5170 36-inch wireless printer. This powerhouse of a machine is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work, and I'm excited to dive in and show you just what it can do. First off, let's talk about the breakthrough print speeds of the Epson SureColor T5170. This thing is a beast, capable of producing accurate A1/D size prints in just 31 seconds. That's right, in less time than it takes to grab a cup of coffee, you can have a high-quality print in your hands. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to produce large quantities of prints quickly, whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer. The speed and accuracy of this printer will save you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. But print speed is just the beginning. The Epson SureColor T5170 is also incredibly easy to operate, thanks to its large, intuitive 4.3-inch LCD color touchscreen. This simplifies print tasks, making it easy to navigate and select the options you need. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, you'll be able to get up and running with this printer in no time. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, making it easy to adjust settings, monitor print jobs, and even access online resources and support. This is a huge benefit for anyone who wants to get the most out of their printer without having to spend hours reading manuals or searching for answers online. Now, let's talk about design. The Epson SureColor T5170 has an ultra-compact footprint, making it perfect for small offices, home workspaces, or even shared desks. The sleek, minimal design of this printer enhances your workspace rather than cluttering it up. And with its high-capacity cartridges, you'll be replacing ink less often, which means less waste and lower costs over time. The high-capacity cartridges hold up to 50 milliliters of color ink and 80 milliliters of black ink, so you can print more without interruption. This is a big win for anyone who wants to reduce their environmental impact and save money on supplies. But what really sets the Epson SureColor T5170 apart is its ability to print from virtually anywhere in the office. With integrated wireless and router-free Wi-Fi direct printing, you can easily print from tablets, smartphones, and more. This is a huge benefit for teams and collaborators who can now work together seamlessly and print documents and designs from anywhere. Whether you're working on a project with colleagues or just need to print out a quick document, the Epson SureColor T5170 makes it easy to get the job done. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T5170 36-inch wireless printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine. With its breakthrough print speeds, easy-to-use interface, compact clean design, and ability to print from anywhere, this printer is a must-have for anyone who needs to produce high-quality prints quickly and easily. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Epson SureColor T5170 today and experience the future of printing for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you work, and I'm excited to see the amazing things you'll create with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.